I like Tide because I felt like it worked. My oldest daughter says I'm a stain guru. If there's a stain, I can get it out. And I feel like that product helped with that. We use the Downy because of the smell. I use the what do you call it? The wool balls in the dryer now also, but Downy we basically use for smell. And OxyClean I use because if I'm not using bleach and I think it's going to get something out, I haven't noticed a huge difference in that though. For the detergent, I think we kind of have gone back and forth. You know, store brands, different brands, things like that. And I just always, with having a lot of children, our first four were born really close together. And, you know, you always are trying to get stains and things like that. And it just seemed like Tide is, for us, is what worked to get out what we needed to get out. And so I just thought, I'm just going to stick with that. And like I said, for Downy, it's just for the smell. I like buying in big amounts because we do like to recycle and not have a lot of waste. So I guess if there could be packaging that had even less, you know, not the big heavy plastic things, you know, something like that, that was less waste, something that was easier to dispose of and not worry if is it actually going to make it to a landfill if you put it in your recycling bin or not, or be recycled. But that's kind of probably the biggest thing that I would want to change is just making sure that it was a little bit more eco-conscious. I have used, and I'm blanking on the name, some of the unnatural products, and I kind of used them for a little bit and then I just went back to the usual, and there's not really a reason why. Probably at this point with just my husband and I could, for a lot of it, do, you know, we don't have the grass stains on the knees and things like that anymore. So I could probably go back to more natural, which if I'm not lazy, I would probably look into.